Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by powering the Google Mini and getting it into setup mode. The white pulsing light tells you it's ready. Once done, open the Google Home app on your phone and sign into the same Google account you want associated with the device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled so the app can discover the Mini. Also ensure your phone is connected to the 4 GHz Wi-Fi network you plan to use, because many devices prefer that band for initial pairing. You'll tap the plus icon in Google Home and choose Setup Device. The app will scan and present the Mini. Tap it. Then select your 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter the password. This step creates the device's local network link, so accuracy is important. After it connects, assign the Mini to a room for easier control. Enable voice match if you want personalized responses, and link music or calendar services so commands work immediately. These choices streamline. Finish by completing the voice training prompts and allow the Mini to download any firmware updates. Updates often fix bugs and improve stability. Once done, test with a simple command like, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" to confirm voice recognition and network access. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Reboot the Mini by unplugging 10 seconds, restart your phone, then retry setup. If that fails, factory reset the Mini and repeat setup. This clears stubborn pairing or network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.